Happy learning with VMC. This is class 8, chapter number 4, that is the data handling. There are only two topics, one is pie chart and the probabilities. Okay. Page number 40, question number 2. To do this first, question number 1, page number 40, try these. Here you are supposed to find out the final fraction showing in the circle. So the fraction showing number of girls is 50 upon 100, which is 1 by 2. And same goes to boys, which is 50 upon 100 equals to 1 by 2. Here it will be 40%, so 40 upon 100. So this is 2 upon 5. Same for bus and car, which is 2 upon 5 because the percentage is 40. And this is 20 upon 100, which will be 1/5. Here it is 15%, so this is 3 upon 20. Find out the love fraction. There are two ways. Either you find out this is 80%, 85%, and then you write 85 upon 100 is equals to 17 upon 20. Or there is another way that you do 1 minus 3 by 20, which is equals to again 17 upon 20. So one method is this one. The other one by doing the subtraction. This is which type of program are viewed by the most. So informative 10, news 15, sports 25, entertainment. Please, first question answer is obviously it is going to be entertainment. The second question says which of two types of programs have number of viewers equal to those watching sports? Sports is 25. So which two will make 25 are news and informative. The next one is drawing the pie chart. Here the question is on the next page in your book. Draw pie chart. Here we have to convert the data into the angle that various sectors can be represented on the circle. First of all, I need to show the fraction. Then here central angle we need to find out. Or directly you can find out the central angle. It's totally up to you. The fraction is 50 upon 100, which is 1 by 2. This is 25 upon 100, which is 1/4. And this is 25 upon 100 again, which is 1/4. Now here I need to write 1 by 2 of 360 degree. The whole circle, the angle at a point is 360 degree. This is 180. This is 1/4 of 360 degree, which will be equal to 90. And again 1/4 of 360 degree. 90. The total has to come 360 degree. The total has to come 1. The total has to come 100%. So to draw a pie chart, what I need to do, I need to draw a circle. Any radius, this is totally your choice. A circle you need to draw. Then you have to draw a radius. Right now, I'm not only drawing the radius, I'm drawing a diameter because there is one angle which is 180 degree, and I know that straight line is 180 degree. Surely this is going to be the first category, that is chocolate of 180 degree. So after that, the next one is 90 degree. For that, I need to use the protector, and I will use the protector, keeping it on the aligned with the diameter. Then I will use the dot for 90 degree, and I will draw it like this, and in this way the pie chart is completed, and I will write same information on the slide because I'm using the two different slide applications. Here, this is the chocolate, or you can write inside the circle only, just 50%. The next one, vanilla flavor, that is 25%. Other flavors, these flavors, which is 25%. So if you want to more be emphasize on that, this is the information favorite ice cream flavors of pie chart depicting, sorry, pie chart depicting favorite ice cream flavors of students. Next question in your NCRT is adjoining pie chart. This is a reading of the pie chart again, on which gives the expenditure in percentage of various items, and savings of the family during a month is given. On which item the expenditure was maximum, which sector is the larger one, that was the food, and percentage wise, that food with 25%. The second one is expenditure on which item is equal to the total savings. So savings is 15%, and that is exactly opposite, that the education of children. Education. Sorry, third one is if monthly saving of a family is 3,000, what is the monthly expenditure? So the percentage we know that 15% of total income is rupees 3,000. The total income will become 20,000. And then you can find out the expenditure on clothes, which is equal to 10%. 10% of 20,000 will become 2,000. So even you can do it by in on a particular day. There is a question that I am not escaping it. This is known as changing of base. So 3,000 is on a base of 15 and you want to go on a base of on close, which is 10. So divide by the same base and multiply on which base you want to go. You will be able to get the directly answer, which will be equal to 2,000. I've explained it. I was thinking to escape it. On a particular day, the sales in rupees of different items of a banker is given. So ordinary bread 320, fruit bread 80, cakes and pastries 160, biscuit 120, others 40. So you are supposed to draw a pie chart. Before that, I am going to bring this information here. I'm going to hide it. So here I am going to make a box. I am inserting it because the total I know. I want to make one more. One is for fraction and one is for central angle. For it to find. Let's move to the questions. Here I'm going to make it in the fraction form. This is totally your choice. This is in the fraction and there it is a central angle. This is a part of your solution. The total is 720. So 320 divided by 720. This is the fraction. This is 80 divided by 720. I'm not simplifying it here, but yes, you have to. Because there is a space constraint on this. This is, I am not cancelling. There is a reason also. Because I know that it won't be getting cancelled out easily. So I know that 360 and 72 are having, there is 72 is a multiple of 36. So it will be 2 and this will be 2. 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 2 answer will be 160. Because I'm going to cancel it, 2 divided, will divide 320, it will become, and now this is a angle. Similarly, that means I am using again 360 divided by 720 will become 1 by 2. This figure will become 80 upon 2, which will be equal to 40. This will be 160 upon 2 will become 80 degree. This is 120 upon 2 will become 60 degree. And finally 40 upon 2 will become 20 degree. And you can check the total has to come everywhere. Here it being a fraction, whole is 1. And this is 160 plus 40 and plus 80, then 60, then 20 will give you 360. Now there is a pie chart we need to draw. I'll draw one of the radius. Then using the protector, it's up to you from where you want to draw the angle, downside or upside. The angle was 160, so I am following this side. First one angle, I remember that it was 160. This is the, then I will shift to the next radius, make the second angle. Now I will be using for 40 degree. This is 40 degree. I am following the outer circle of the protector. I hope you know how to use both inner and outer circle. Then again, I will be moving towards next. The new radius will become the base of the next angle. This is 80 degree. As I am following the outer circle, 80 degree is here. And then I will draw these. 80 degree. Then the next one. Next one is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. Ultimately, there is a one sign error because I'm doing it digitally. There is very less scope for me to do the correction and again. But you should do, and this is a very minimal one. So this is 60 degree. After that, I have to name it. All these sectors are there. Pie chart for it will become for 160 degree it was ordinary bread. For food bread it was next one was cakes and pastries. 60 degree angle was for biscuits. And this is for others. Draw a pie chart again. Now what we are supposed to do here, I want this especially that I can show the calculation. So here you are going to do it in fraction. This is in the central angle. So this is, I need to find out for that total. This is 14, 4, 18, 22, 24. Now fraction is actually your, if your teacher makes it. This is 1/3. This is 1/4. This is 1/6. This is 1/12. Ultimately, you will get answer here. Total is 1. If fraction is found, you can easily do it. Otherwise, you can write, or you can do it 360 degree multiplied by 8 on 24th. Instead of 1/3, you can directly write here fraction. This is 120 degree. 1/4 of 360 degree is 90. This I am directly 1/6 of 360 degree is 60 degree. This is same, so 60 degree only. So this is 30 degree. Directly we can check the total is 360 degree or not. Now I need to draw a pie chart. The angles were 120, 90, 60, 60, 30. Will be drawing the circle, any radius, ruler and pencil, draw any of the radius, and then the first angle was 120 degree. Right now it's totally your choice. I'm using the inner circle. So 0 from here, 120 degree, I will find it here. Now I will be, next angle is 90 degree. Using the inner circle, 90 degree angle. And then the next one, there are 2 times 60 degree angle. So you can see 60, 30. 150 degrees left and exactly 150 is visible downside. This is 60. Actually, I'm doing it all together. I'm marking here 120. This is 60 degree. 60 and 60 makes 120. So directly I have done it. And ultimately it will be 20 degree. You can see that. A little gap was due to. Now it is exactly. So I will copy it, paste it, answer. I need to write that this is for keeping school allocation of a day, I think it was. This was sleeping. School. Homework. It was playing. There are other works. Eating or talking with siblings or parents. So there was try, think and discuss in which three questions are there and you are asked for which one you will draw which type of. Earlier there was bar graph and histogram in the syllabus. Right now it is related but this is there. So for the first one there is a bar graph. For the second one it is a pie chart. For the third one it is a histogram. So we will make it. Finally I am directly finding out the central angle without finding the fraction. This is 30 upon 120 is a fraction multiplied to 360 degree, which will be equal to 90. It's 120. 75 degree. Please check. We will draw a circle for North Indian food. So we will keep the vector here. First angle was 90 degree. Second angle I need to make was I think correctly. I am following inner circle. The next one is 75 degree. We'll mark it here. 80 and the left one will be itself 75 degree because the total is 0 to 120. We will Final answer. I need to write this address. Here it is the 90-degree angles, North Indian. This is South Indian. Chinese. There is a question in your NCRT book. The exercise, a survey was made to find out the type of music that a certain group of young people like in a city. Adjoining pie chart showing the findings of this survey. If 20 people like this classical music, how many people were surveyed? So you know the concept of fraction. 20 people like classical music. They are 10%. So 10% of total number of people is equals to 20. Then total number of people who were surveyed, that is 200. Second, which type of music is liked by the maximum number of, so whose sector is larger, that is the light music. Third, if a cassette company were to make 1000 CDs, how many each type they would make according to the percentage? This is number of semi-classical CDs, 20% of 200, not 200, sorry, 1000 CDs are made. That is 200. We have to find it for everyone. Classical CDs, 10% of music, which is 100. Similarly, we need to do it for everyone. So that there is a number of folk CDs, that is 30% of 1000. It will become 300. There is last one, number of light CDs, that is 40% of 1000. This type of questions are for reading graph. This type of reading graph question can come in your SAFL exam too, which is a competency based. A group of 630 people were asked to vote for their favorite season. So which season got most votes? So the answer is surely winter. Find the central angle of each one. For that we need to find out the total. So 150 plus 120 plus 90 is equals to 360. It's very easily find out. 90 upon 360 is the fraction. 360 degree is the angle around a point at center. This is 90 degree. This is 120 degree. 150 upon the total is 360 degree here to the 360 degree at a center. will be 150. Now, this is the moment when I will draw the pie chart. First angle was 90. Second angle is 120. The leftover will itself come to the 140. The easiest one for exercise. What is asking about how to draw the pie chart for this information. Importantly, I need to write the name. This is summers. This is winter. Winter, sorry. This is rainy. We all enjoy the rains. The next one is here. So here I need to find out the angle. 36 is already totally is given. 18 upon 36 is a fraction. Angle around a point is 360 degree. So this angle will be 180. So 9 upon 36 multiplied by 360 degree will be the central angle, which will be 90 degree. 6 upon 36 into 360 degree will be 60 degree. 3 upon 36 fraction multiplied by 360 degree. It is 30 degree. The total is 360. Okay. And here we have directly we need to draw the diameter. Was 120 degree, 180 degree angle is there. Then we will be making the right angle. Which is 90 degree. Now it's 90. And there is one angle which is 60 degree. Now shifting I am using on this side. Ultimately the last one will be 30 degree. Last angle itself be the remaining one. After this, This is blue color, this is green, red, yellow. Fourth question of your exercise, the reading of pie chart. Here it is given that the marks obtained by a student in Hindi, English, mathematics, social science, and the total marks obtained by a student are 540. Following question. Answer you have to following question. In which subject did the student score 105? That means we have to convert here for the first one. You have to write first, you have to make a table for here. Mathematics, social science, science, Hindi, English. I'm writing the angle. This is 90, 65. This is 80, 70 degree. So to remember how to find out the central fraction into 360. This fraction is observation of the same table on total into 360. So this is the way of finding the central angle. So I am sending 360 there to get multiplied. And the total I know that I am sending, so the observation I will get. So how I will get the marks scored in particular subject? That will become central angle multiplied by 360 degree divided by 5. This is 90 up into 360 divided by 540. So this is 60, I think. And I divide 540 with 90. I get 6. 360 divided by 6 is 60. So this is 65 into 360 divided by 540. 4 is a 32. 4/6. 65 into 4/6. Really, it's coming, I think, in the very point wise 43.3 something. This is 80. Upon 6 into 80. I can say 2/3, but this is also coming in decimals. Every marks is decimals. Oh my god, I did wrong here. Sorry for this. I need to write 360 here, and I was wondering here what the mistake I was doing. See, the teachers are also doing mistake in transposition. The total will go this side and 360 will come here. That is why the angle will be cancelled. Oh, sorry, this will become 4. 540 will divided by 4, which will be 135. Now I think it's very clear. 65 into 540. Sorry, the transposition I have done here wrong. This is again 18 is an 18 3 is a. This is 3 by 2. 65 multiplied by 3 and then divided by 2 will become 97.5 marks. Then this is 80. 80 multiplied to 3 by 2 I can see. 80 540 divided by 3 by 2. So 80 into 3 by 2 is 120. Still I did not get the 105. This is 70 into 540. This is 70 into 3 by 2 equals to 105. So I got the answer for the first one. This is 55 into 540. And this is 55 into 3 by 2, 82.5. This is the way we do the finding the marks. Now, the answer for this one I got that this is Hindi. How many more marks were obtained by the student in mathematics than Hindi? So comparatively, if I see there, it is 135 and this is 105. So answer is 30. And examine whether the sum of the marks obtained by social science and mathematics. So social science is 135 and this is 97.5. The total comes equal to 135 plus 97 will become 3 into 2.5. And the marks for the science and Hindi. Science is 120 and Hindi is 105. So this is 225. Surely these are greater. Examine, is it greater? Yes, it is greater. The answer. Finally, we have reached to the last question of this exercise. You are supposed to draw the pie chart. I need to draw the central angle in the circle. So for that, I need to do the central angle calculation. So total is 72. 40 upon 72 into 360 degree, which will be, or first you can find out the fraction first. 40 upon 72, 12 upon 72, you need to cancel it out also. Deliberately I am not doing because I know that 72 and 360 will get cancelled out. The fraction will be equal to 0. The total will be equal to 1, sorry. Central angle will be equal to 40 on 72 into 360 degree, which will be equal to, and I will cancel 360 degree with 72. I will get 5. 40 into 5 will be 200 degree. So with the protector, which is carrying the 180 degree in all, it's very hard. So I will keep it at last. 72 into 360. So 12, 5 is a 60. 9 upon 72 into 360. So 9, 5 is a 45. So 7 upon 72 into 360, which will become 35. 20 degree. You can find out the total at every angle. When added, you will get 360 degree. Now I will be making a pie chart or circle graph is there another name for that. I will make rest of all angles except 20 degree. The reason behind 200 degree. I am following the inner circle right now. Ultimately, the left one will be 200. The next radius will be the base for the next angle. So right now I'm marking 35 degree, which will be between 30 and 40. Next one angle is 45, which will be between 40 and 50. Finally, I am drawing the last angle, 60 degree. Ultimately, I will be left over with 200 angle, and because I don't have the protector more than 180, so this one will be the left out as 20 degree, and this is in that way we will be drawing. So here it is for D, which is 200. Then it is, I have started from here 20 degree from the last. This is Bengali. Was Tamil, Marathi. Here it was. I am moving to the next part of the chapter, which is probability, and this is very easy, and the very few questions are there. When you spin a wheel of shown one, what are the possible outcomes? So the possible outcomes are A, B, C. And here in this case, W, R, B, G, and Y. You have bag with 5 identical balls of different colors. The shape is same. You are pull out. You are supposed to draw one of the ball without looking into it. List the outcomes you would get. So this is the experimental one. You can do, but this is not from the exam point of view. A bag has 4 red balls and 2 yellow balls. So the total number of balls are 4 plus 2, which is 6. A ball is drawn without looking into the bag. What is the probability of getting a red ball? So P capital 1, writing the event, getting a red ball. This is number of red balls. 4 upon 6, which is 2 by 3. It is asking, is it more or less than getting a red ball? So probability of getting a yellow ball we can find out, and we can compare the fractions. This is number of yellow balls on total number of balls. Here I total number of balls, not red balls. This is 2 upon 6, which is 1 by 3. Surely 2 by 3 is greater than 1 by 3. The second one, is it? The answer is yes. Suppose you spin the wheel, list the number of outcomes getting a green sector and not getting a green sector. So, number of outcomes for getting a green sector are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 G's. And number of outcomes for not getting green sectors. So there are red, then again red, then again red. So there are 3 red. Find the probability of getting a green sector. Total number of green sectors, number of green sectors upon total number of sectors. This is 5 upon 8. The third part is not getting green sectors probability. Getting green sectors. Number of not green sectors, total number of green sectors, total number of sectors. This is 3 upon 8, and you will find amazingly these two added and equal to 8 upon 8, which is equal to 1. List the outcomes you can see in the experiment. So the answers are A, B, C, and D. These are the outcomes for A. Tossing 2 points together. There are 2 points. Say one is 1 rupee coin and the two other the other one is the 2 rupee coin. It may happen on both the coins you will get head and head or tail tail, or maybe on the first one head, another on tail or head. When a die is thrown, list the outcomes. So the outcomes of die 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first part A, getting a when a die is thrown, list the outcomes of an event getting a prime number. So how many are prime numbers? Outcomes that are prime are 2 is a prime, 3 is a prime, 5 is a prime. Not a prime number, outcomes that are not prime are 1, 4, and 6. A number greater than 5 that is greater than 5 is equal to only 6. So the question is asking list the outcome. So I am writing the outcomes. If I ask how many, this is only one number. A number not greater than 5. That is, so not greater than 5 are these four. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Directly moving to the last question of the exercise. Find the probabilities of the events in the first part. Question number 1. So probability of getting a prime number. I'll shift it to here because it is very connected to this one. Getting a prime number. So number of prime numbers are 3. Total are 6. Total outcomes are 6. So the probability is 1 by 2. Second part in this question was getting not getting a prime number. Again 3 by 6, which is 1 by 2. Probability of getting a number greater than 5. Out of all 6, number 1 is there. Getting a number, not getting a number greater than 5. Getting a number greater than 5. There are 4 number out of 6, so this is 2 by 3. Third question, probability of pointer stopping on D in question number 1. So I'm taking it closer to 1. Probability the pointer stops on D. How many sectors are there that we need to count? There are 5 sectors. Total are 5. Out of that, how many are containing D? That is 1. So it is 1 upon 5. Then there is a B part. It says tossing 2 coins together. Okay, it is not asking B part. The probability of getting an ace from a well shuffled of deck. So there are 4 A's. One is of club, one is of spade, one is of diamond, and one is of heart. So there are 4 A's of drawing or getting an ace from the out of 52 cards. There are 4 A's. So we will be able to cancel it by 4. Probability of getting a red apple. Getting a red apple. So how many apples are there? 7 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So red one is 1, 2, 3, 4. 7, 4 are red. From numbers 1 to 10 are written on a separate slip. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. These are written on this, kept in a box, mixed well. One of the slip is chosen without looking into it. What is the probability of getting a number 6? So there is only one 6. So out of 10, 1 is 6. Probability of getting a number less than 6. There are 10. So all these 5 numbers are less. So this is equal to 1 by 2. Greater than 6. These are 4. One digit numbers. So there are 9 one digit numbers. 10. If you have spinning wheel with 3 green sectors, 1 blue sector and red 1 sector. So total number of sectors. So it will be 3 plus 1 plus 1, 5. What is the probability of getting a green sector? So out of 5, how many are green? 3. What is the probability of getting a non-blue sector? So how many are non-blue? Non-blue are green and red. That means how many green? Green are 3, red is blue. So probability of getting a non-blue sector is equal to, out of 5, 4. Hence, the chapter is over. Happy learning with VMC. Bye-bye.